See, what is difference between Java and C++? Okay, so C++ is only a compiled language, whereas Java is compiled as well interpreted language. See, in C++ or C, okay, so here compiler is going to convert your file directly into the machine level code. But in Java, your Java compiler is going to convert your program into, okay, your source code into what, a byte code. Okay, this byte code is interpreted by the what, a Java virtual machine. So that's why Java is compiled as well, what, an interpreted language. Okay, so Java programs are platform independent, whereas a C++ program run only in the machine in which it is compiled. Here, Java programs are not depends on the what, not depends on the hardware or software. Okay, not depends on the hardware or software. So Java programs are executed by irrespective of what, irrespective of any operating system. Okay, irrespective of any operating system or hardware. Okay, so that's why Java called platform independent. Java programs are executed by any operating system and in any hardware, irrespective of its development and compilation. But C++ will not like that, in which what, machine you have developed and compiled. Okay, in that system only they are going to execute, and these are not portable. Okay, C++ programs are not portable, and Java programs are portable. Okay, so from system to system, okay, C++ programs. Okay, so you can't say that what, so every system has different configurations, right? So system to system, OS may be vary, and memory and processor, like this hardware and softwares, okay, may vary from system to system. So here C++ programs are what, mission dependent. Okay, so based on the system in which you have compiled, okay, in that system only C++ programs are executed, but Java programs are not like that. Okay, so here these are not mission dependent, and these are not platform dependent. So these are platform independent. In any operating system, in any hardware, Java programs are executed. That's why, okay, so Java programs are platform independent. And C++ allows what, users to use what, pointers in the program. So pointers are very confusion concept. So this confusion concept is eliminated in Java. Okay, in Java we won't what, use pointers concept. And C++ supports what, multiple inheritance, whereas Java does not support this. Okay, so Java at class level, okay, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. At interface level, okay, so in Java, what, at interface level, multiple inheritance is supported, but at class level, not supported. In C++, in class level also, multiple inheritance is supported. So these are the major differences between what, C++ and Java. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.